Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx G here with a new video. So I want to say thank you to those who are subscribed and thank you who are here for the first time. I just want to let you know this is a variety channel. I show off different things that you can do for YouTube, Twitch, different technology that you can use that's going to help you grow. Also, I do some unboxings. But for this video, I'm going to show you some free video editing software that you can use on the computer and that you can use on your phone for Android and iOS. Alright, let's get into the first app. Alright, so the first app is called Kenna Master. This is on both Android and iOS. So as you can see, you can have multiple layers in this app. You can put video effects, you can put text effects if you want, you could put a video on top of a video, and as you see, it has chroma key. So if you have a green screen and you want to add some different effects into it, you can do that with this application. This app is $5 a month, so you don't have to have a watermark. But if you do not care about having a watermark, it is absolutely free, and you can do all of this, and you can edit this in 4K if you wanted to, and you just have a watermark in the bottom right hand of the video. Alright, here we have Power Direct. This app is pretty much similar to Kenna Master. It also has chroma key, so if you're someone that likes to have a green screen, this would be awesome for you as well. Now with this app, you literally can do everything Kenna Master can do, but with this app, this also has a watermark. But after you edit and create your video, at the end, if you want to export it without the watermark, I believe you can watch an ad and it will export the video for you, but at max 720p. Now this also does support 4K editing, but if you want to do it for free and then you want to upload, you have to watch an ad to have the watermark removed when you want to upload, but it only goes up to max 720p, just so you guys know that. Alright, so now we're going to get into the desktop applications. So here we have Hit Films. I personally tried to use Hit Films, and I guess it just wasn't that intuitive for me, because I like applications that if I open it, I can figure out how to work it and get it going, at least from start. And then if I want to work some new little things, I can YouTube it. For this application, I felt like I had to YouTube a lot, and I wasn't down for that. So I personally don't use it, but I know a lot of other YouTubers that use it, and it works perfectly fine, and it's completely free, and it's worth all of the time if you are ready to put time into it. Everything is a learning curve, you know. I just didn't have time for it. So the application that I use is called DaVinci Resolve, and let me show you that now. Last but certainly not least, DaVinci Resolve 15. I've been using this for my past, I guess, 4 to 5 videos, and I really enjoy using it. I learned how to use it by myself. I picked it up really quickly. It's not something hard for you to get into. So if you can, please check this out and download it and use it. If you would like me to show you how to use DaVinci Resolve, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx G here. Ajaxx out.